Well, since my wife taking too long in the bathroom, we at Universal Studios. Let's do it. All right, we here at past 5:30 in the afternoon. Park closes at 9 today. We'll see if we have a good time in Universal Studios tonight. Fast Pass Platinum members, so you know, we ain't gonna be waiting in line and all that other stuff. So we're gonna try to get in these stores. We're gonna try to get in everywhere, and we're gonna say what's up with the park now. I ain't been here in a while, so I'm very, very excited. Still waiting for my wife to get out the damn bathroom right now. So I'll see y'all in a second.
I wanted a brand new one, that's all.
Oh, okay. Well, you can change them out later. Joe finally getting out of the bathroom, so.
Good.
On to the park. Well, it's 6 o'clock. Nobody's at the metal detector, so we just walked on in. So, well, we got fast pass and all that to the park closed, so we good. So, fuck it, let's do it. I know, but we don't need it right now. Let's go straight to the bottom lot. If you want a popcorn bucket, we get it in a second. Yeah.
Where are we going to the bottom lot?
You're going to the tram ride.
The tram ride here is not the bottom lot.
Well, it's by the Simpsons. All right, we're trying something new today. We ain't buying no popcorn bucket. We ain't buying no merch right now or nothing because it's 6 o'clock. So what we gonna do is we're gonna go to the tram ride right now because we haven't been on it, and we're going there first. And we'll probably go to Super Nintendo World right after that, and we'll do everything else after that. If we want to show you guys the store, it's gonna be later on in the video, not in the beginning. So we'll see y'all over there at the tram ride. First time ever being in here. Oh, this is so cool. So this is New Power Up Cafe. I know I'm late. And I guess those are the infused drinks right there. So we might get that and get something else. What are you gonna get?
The red one.
The red one? So generic. You're like the fire flower or something.
I think the red one.
The
You want to carry the this one too?
What's that?
Regular fountain juice, is that fine? Yeah. Alright, just have it on the side. Alright.
Hey, can I get a flower frizz?
Oh, well.
Yeah, I need that.
We'll just hold on for now. We'll come back.
Yeah.
I want this one. Look at that. With extra boba.
So what you gotta do, you gotta drop that stuff in there.
Yeah.
So do it now. She's dropping a little mushroom in there. Drop a little fire flower. Hold on, blood. No, you gotta mix it over there. Do it over there. Oh, mine fizzing up though. Let me see yours inside. Oh, it's fizzing up.
Yeah.
It's on the fire flower. Alright, it's cool. So the reason why we're here, I want to be here, and then I got all the tattoos of all the characters from the bad ones from Mario. So since the last time you seen me, now I got them. Now me and my wife trying all these drinks and stuff, and now we gotta go on the Mario Kart ride, but we're gonna do that later. But we're gonna go over here to this tram real quick. Let's be about it in the store. Let's go. All right, there goes the Fast and Furious ride. Looks like they're doing a lot of work to it. Looks good though. Drink is very good. We'll see more of this when we come up on the tram ride, but looks like they're pretty busy over here. Crazy how construction goes at Universal Studios. I guess it's where he launched at, huh? Look at that.
2026.
Simpsons Land, we gotta enjoy it while it's still around.
it's not going to be fun.
How long it take? 2 seconds to get over here in the front. 3 seconds. She scanned her ID pass. It's time to get on the ride. So I guess for the studio tour, they're having people take pictures by the sign and everything. Want to take a picture by the sign? The tram? We'll do it right now. That's cool. You get to take a picture. That's a big ass shark. That is a big ass shark. All right, it's 7:30 now. We're heading to Super Nintendo World. So there goes Jurassic World over there. That's the popcorn stand. You got the OG Willis jersey, huh? Go Niners. There's the Mario store over there. Transformers. Wonder who coming out Megatron. Go Lakers. Let's do it. Love this store right here, right after you get off the ride. And Super Nintendo World.
You talking about my hair? That's your tattoo.
No.
Okay.
So I had to get the tats of the.
I love that.
I got to get ready for the ride right now. All right, have a good one. Look at your hair, huh? Fuck the tattoos, look at the hair, huh? She got it all done. Stepping with the LeBron's on. I love it when it's in here and it's not dark, but it's dark enough, but you can see everything. Things are lit up. Oh look, they meet Toad. Look how small he is. He's very short. Wonder who plays Toad. Toad plays Toad?
Toad plays Toad.
I thought it was probably like a
Toad all the way
little
down.
special midget. Look at that.
If I knew how to identify what mushroom parts were, I don't remember what's in mushrooms.
Don't remember
Because I failed biology badly.
It's all
I'm not
good.
supposed to care about mushrooms.
Yeah, little
Although
mushrooms.
they're pretty cool.
Yeah, they
I
are.
do think he's an ally to the human survivors in Last of Us.
That's
Because,
crazy.
you know, he's a fungi. Like the Last of Us zombies.
Yeah, he is.
So I think he's a sleeper agent for the human resistance.
That's great. Look, he's jumping up and down, Natalia. Said Princess Peach will return tomorrow. She probably called in sick. She went home on sick. She took some PTO. Go get your coins. There's a famous Toad Store Cafe right there. Join the wait list. It's gonna be like 2 hours. $90-minute wait time. So I guess this ride is gonna end it for us. want. Get in now to get some meat. She wants some meat out of here bad, huh?
Come on.
Have a short rib. Well, we're gonna get some meat inside of Tosto Cafe because we already rode the ride a few times already. If you want to see it on the channel and everything like that. But I'm just happy to be down here again. I just love being down here again. And oh, just in case I didn't show you, that's the tops I got for the park, especially. Mario Kart is my favorite game. Whoop anybody ass, so don't come get it. I know my wife behind me, but I don't care. And that's why I got the tats for it. So Mario Kart, come get some. Any one of them. Show how they really get this money. No more money. Only 3 coins. Hold on. Okay. Some more money. Let's go inside. We're gonna do like a coin challenge or some stuff.
Oh, 2.
Pause now. Is that the thing you was looking at earlier? Is that a popcorn bucket? Oh, okay. Well, if you want to get it, we could get it. Please don't have my kids mess with it. Bria Graves. Girl, tell you this right now, I'm your father, I love you, but can't say on camera what I'm gonna do to you if you mess with my dang stuff. Keep buying stuff, she keep messing it up. You got the hats and everything. Uh-oh, she's gonna get the ears, she's gonna lose again. She's gonna lose them again like the last episode. Oh, they got the Toad Cafe! You can wear them right now, that's cool.
That's what I'm getting.
Oh, the bombs! The bombs! Got it on my arm, the bombs. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead.
Oh, no, we're...
The bomb.
Which one? The bomb or the...
Get the Toad. I got the bomb forever. I got the bomb forever. She got the Toad. He got a, look, he got a spatula and everything. Look at that. Excuse me. So this is what's new here, the gold band. It's real cool. And my wife putting on the ears right now. Look, she going to Toadstool Cafe with damn, you got the damn spatula. Time to go. Oh, snap, I got the big boo. The ghost. He's on my arm too. That's so cool. It's too white, too much white. You got the shirt too. No line. Oh, now it's a line. My bad. It's a long fucking line. You fool, you played me, Toad. It's a long line. Let's do it. Just love how full the cups are. All right, now we're waiting to be seated by the mushroom. So we'll see you in a second when we get our seats. All right, well, my wife's looking at her phone. She got the spaghetti and meatballs. And now I got the pesto chicken. Christ, this sauce is good. So this is Luigi Burger. So Mario's a hamburger. Luigi Burger has this. Pesto, chicken. You know how the spaghetti is already. That's pretty good. Take a bite of that Luigi burger. Tell me how it tastes. She didn't bite the mustache. Pretty good. Grilled chicken. Really light.
I like the
Bell pepper.
crispiness of the bell pepper.
Yeah, bell pepper. Still got cheese on it. Pesto sauce. Let's dig in. We'll see you in a second. We're done eating. And shopping. Look at Toad. They all running. They all running. Probably running away from me because the food is gone. And she still has her.
Make it no better. It was hot.
Berry. Oh, we're done with dinner. Look at how nice it looks outside at night. Looks fake, but it's so real. Look, Daniel, we got a Dan Marino jersey. Last time the motherfuckers went to the Super Bowl.
I have a question for you, Laker. Kendrick or Drake? Good answer. You can stay. You're with me now, Laker. You're a very wise man. Respect it.
Just go to the popcorn stand over there. Just get the popcorn right there.
Oh, look at the tram. All right, let's go. The tram popcorn. Thank you. Go that way. So now we got to get the popcorn. We got it at the end of the night. What a save. To buy him because I just got him done. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get him. Yes, I don't know. There he goes right there. So matches the tattoo. Before I leave the park, this is all the 60th anniversary stuff. So you got E.T. over here. And you got the damn what's the name car. This is freaking cool. Back to the Future car. You got other photo ops of all the 60th anniversary stuff. This is so cool. I'd have walked past it, wouldn't even have seen it. That is so cool. Amity Island. Take a picture with the Jaws prop. So all of this was more than just the 60th anniversary. They had some stuff, right? She eating popcorn. She ain't gonna answer you. Well, let's end it right there. Thank you for joining us for the Sunday night, Universal Studios Hollywood. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Look at the mystery machine on the way out. Silver Pass, $74. Got the platinum. I don't need the damn silver.